Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll try to show you or work through the tips that we usually use when dealing with wireless chargers. Now of course it's my wireless charger. This is my Samsung Galaxy S24, and just in case your charger or wireless charger is not working, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot it. All right, so this one is working fine. Now, of course, there are various designs. Some of them are flat, some of them are standing, as this one here. Now, the standards are varying. All right, so in order to fix wireless charging issues, let's get straight into it. Now, one of the first things you want to do in case your device is not charging is to go ahead and remove the case. So, of course, my case does support wireless charging. Some cases don't. The thicker the case, or if it's simply not compatible, then you're going to have issues. So go ahead and remove your case. So once you remove the case, go ahead again and try to charge. All right, so if the case is not the issue, then of course your placement might be the problem. So for example, try different placements. So for example, try to place it a little bit off center. All right, simply try placing it a little bit off center, or simply sliding it over until you get the charging icon. All right, so it might be that in your case, the position does matter. All right, in some cases, it has a wider movement. Also, try changing orientation. For example, here I can charge in both landscape and portrait, and again, try to move around to get the best position. All right, so that's the second thing to try, the position. Next thing, it might be a software glitch. So of course, there are certain settings that you can actually try. So go into settings. Once you're in settings, you're gonna go over to, so once you're in settings, go over to battery. So you're gonna search for the battery options. And the first one you're gonna try is you're gonna go to the option that says wireless power sharing. All right. This one might sound weird, but go ahead and turn on wireless power share. In some cases, this might trigger the charging mechanism. All right. So go ahead and try it. It might not work, but still try it. All right. So as you see, it's charging. So in some cases, turning that on might work for some people, not all cases. All right. Next, go to, and you're still under battery. So settings battery, go to wireless power sharing. And of course, oh, sorry about that. So we just came out of wireless power sharing. So go to charge settings. So charge settings. Once you're in charge settings, right. So once you're in charge settings, go ahead and turn off fast wireless charging. So turn off fast wireless charging. And of course, you can always turn this back on and go ahead and hook up your phone to the charger and see if that fixes it. All right, so you can always toggle it on and off and see if one of those fix it for you. In some cases, disabling fast wireless charging might help, or stabilize the charger to charge continuously, especially if you find that it's cutting in and out and your charger does support fast wireless charging. Go ahead and turn it on or off to see which one works best for you. It might just fix the problem with continuous charging or issues where it's just not working consistently. All right, so if you do all of those, so those two options here, by turning on wireless charging and disabling fast wireless charging, it will be able to fix it in some cases. Now, sometimes the issue can be hardware, meaning that the mechanism on the inside for the wireless charger is loose. And of course, either you're going to open it up, or if somehow you could nudge it back into place, it might, in some cases, fix the problem and get the wireless charging working again. Some people have done nudges or taps or whatever it is to get, or press along here to get the mechanism on the inside to reconnect or snap back into place. Again, you can always try that and see if you get some form of result. All right, so also the problem might be the standard that the wireless charger itself uses. So if you're using an old outdated standard, your phone might not be compatible. So I would suggest that you research your brand and you may need to actually get another charger. Also be mindful that make sure that your cables are good and your adapter that's connected to the wireless charger to make sure it's getting enough power, that everything is working. If you try all of those, you should be able to fix the problem. And I do hope this was helpful, and as always, your feedback would be highly appreciated. Thank you guys, and as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.